So this is the Firefighter Cruiser, which you could get at Radio Shack. I had one of these. It used four 9-volt batteries. I boated it around on the Ottawa River.
Bring it back in.
And that sound you would hear is pretty much the sound when it was getting out of range. The range on these remote control toys were never really good. They used 27 megahertz, so somewhere around the CB radio frequency. Might have even been on channel 14, because I remember holding the controller on near my CB and it was like close to the channel 14. And what I remember is with these boats is it had a water gun at the front. It didn't really shoot very far, the water, but it was kind of a neat accessory to the fire boat, which I played with a lot. And the demise of this boat, I guess, was the moisture got inside the components, and it basically the motor seized up just from being in the water so much. And I remember the batteries leaking. I used rechargeable batteries, but there's like some leakage.
If it drifts that far, I can always get it with the rowboat.
And I remember having to, when it would run out of range, I would have to take the boat out in the river and go after it. It would drift downstream.
Ben, get in the boat or give me the controller.
What are you doing with your shoes on you?
Ben, here.
There.
Get on the boat now. Huh?
Just, I don't know, something I thought was a really neat toy that I had back in, when this footage was shot was somewhere in 1990. So there I am controlling it on the dock and spitting. And eventually, I had some lily pad weeds, and I remember the motor got stuck in that, and I had to go out and take my rowboat and get it. And another thing I remember having is the remote control cars from Radio Shack as well. That probably took like about 4 AA batteries and probably drove for, I don't know, like 10 minutes before the batteries would be drained if you drove it steadily. Racing